Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And to the video, as you can see by the title, I'll show you guys how to get yourself a public profile like this. Mine will be showing here. If it doesn't show, well then screw me. So what you need, this is a 100% legit from Snapchat on the Snapchat site. So you don't need any requirement, you don't need a VPN or shit like that. Without further ado, let's go ahead and start. So first, what you need to do is you open up a Snapchat and search business at Snapchat. Once you search your business account, you scroll, it will show business Snapchat, businesssnapchat.com. You click this one, and then from this one, what you need to do is you need to log in. You need to log in, and you need to log in. You need to log in, and you need to log in with your Snapchat. And I'll go ahead and log in mine. So once you log in, you will see this, of course, and don't worry about it. So what you need to do is you click where it says business, and then once you click where it says business, she will show you like this. If you log in with your Snapchat, all you need to do is scroll down, and you click where they said. You click where it said public profile. You click where it said public profile, and boom, right here, as you can see, I already have mine. Mine is already complete. Okay, mine is already complete. Is here. Okay, I don't want to show too much, and then from that, as you can see, you can click your create profile. Once you click create Snapchat account, as you can see, you can click create the Snapchat account. Once you click there, I already have one, so I don't need one. Once you click there, it will take you to your account, but it will have a public account. And then all you need to do is just go back to the Snapchat, and you'll see your public account there waiting for you, and you can set up everything right there. So guys, I hope that one helped. I hope this tutorial will help. Finger crossed. And yeah, don't go ahead and subscribe and drop a like and drop a comment if you're ready for now. Let me know, and then I'll create you one. I don't know.